got another Christmas present unboxing. It is February 17th. I believe it's the 17th. I'm a little slow. But my brother sent me this. I think it's going to be really handy for going underneath the 4Runner. It's a, I can take this. It's a little scooter that goes underneath the car, and it also could be used as a seat and a parts holder. So I guess the official name is a creeper, but that's what they call me, creeper. So I'm going to open this guy up. It is green. Oh, looks like it's got a lot. See, it is officially a creeper. Lots of wheels. Is it back? More stuff. And we are looking for the instructions. Oh, no instructions there. No instructions there. Maybe we can put it together ourselves. Oh, really? No instructions? Ah, instructions! All the way in the bottom of the box. Alright, getting started here. I gotta unbox a bunch more of the nuts and bolts on the wheels, so I'm gonna slice them like that. And wow, they gave us the wheels, and they gave us the nuts and bolts. Probably using their own tools. It looks like they gave us a nice cheap wrench to put this together too. And all the nuts and bolts. That will just take those guys off. Ready to go. We'll put that staple so I don't get it in my foot later. Okay. Alright, so the instructions are not very clear. But we're going to try to figure them out. Flip everything over. Another staple. Doesn't really explain which direction this goes into. Don't know. Alright, so the directions are not very clear, but I think I've got it figured out. So now I take a bolt, put a washer on it, take another washer and get ready to put that on, but this looks like it goes in like this, and that pin lines everything up, or releases everything when you want to use it. So. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put everything together quickly first, and then tighten everything down at the end. You're going to speed this all up later, right? That's a little bit of a cheap bolt with strict threads on it. Or that is not what I want. So the quality of these nuts are not very good. It doesn't have quality nuts. Junk. I don't even know how I'm supposed to use that. It's pre-stripped from the factory. Alright, well, there we go. So I'm just the wheels on here. Put some of these Some of these have a screw on the top and some of them don't. These just thread right in. Okay, this one must be for the handy dandy wheels, this crazy wrench. Sorry, it's horrible. I've given up on the supplied wrenches because they're pretty. That took 2 seconds. So. Pretty easy on that. These guys are a little bit different, so we gotta put these in here comfortably. I'll take these all up at the end. That's the creeper, and how you shoot your dart. I'll give it a shot. And if you want to use it for a seat, pull it up like that. Nice, look at that. Nice and comfy. Awesome. Got 14 millimeters on this side and 13 on this side. I'm just going to trick these guys up. Okay, there you go. Chair.